Hello everybody, it's me Dede, it's Zozo. Today we are going to start our next dance session and sorry for the late. Цаано бүгдэнд нь амралтын өдрийн мэнд төргий. Дede байна, Zozo байна. Тэгээд өнөөдөр бид нэр жорог, зан, тэгээд бас мөрний тасгалуудаа бас хийх болно. Та бүхэн дагаад ирээрэй. За одоо би халаалтынхаа нэг хэсэг болгоод мөрнийхөө тасгалуудыг одоо дахиад хийцгээе.
Okay, let's do the shoulder moves. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Let's twist. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight.
Окей, одоо даад зөвхөн нэг хий.
Okay, let's do the shoulder moves two more times. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. One, two, three, four, five, six,
as we said earlier, we're gonna teach you today the two leg moves. It's called the Jara. It has two types, and then and we move one leg to another leg forward, and then there's no moves on your chest and in your upper body part is no move. Yeah.
Okay, let's do the first one. Okay, let's do the second one.
Okay, let's see the differences. Yep, the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then let's do it another one. Yeah, type 2. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So guys, thank you for watching us. We hope you enjoyed it.
And stay at home, save lives, and see you next week.
Take care all of you. Thank you.
Bye.